Video on VueJS, I want to discuss about ref, reactive as well as computed properties for composition API. Let's have a look at the code first. So here you can see I have this app.vue, and here I have imported three components. One is counter, template syntax, and computed component. And inside components I have created this three components. So first, if you go to counter, here you can see that I have just taken one ref of counter, another ref for counter title, and I have added two functions, one for increment counter, second for decrement counter. And if you see over here, I have an h1, and I have added this v dash model for our counter title. So if you change the input, the h1 will change. And here I have on the button click, I'm incrementing or decrementing the counter to show you the output. So here you can see this is the h1, and if I change my input, the h1 gets changed. And for this buttons, if I increment or decrement, the counter changes. Now suppose you don't want to create these refs one by one. If you have an object, if you want to make an object, you can use something like reactive. But to change a reactive, you don't have to write counter dot value. So here you can see, if you are using ref, you have to write whatever the ref is dot value to change it. But to change this counter data's count value, you can simply write like this, sorry. So count minus, that's it. Okay, so this is why reactive is being used. Also there is something called template syntax. So this is pretty simple. So I have a message, and here I have an HTML string inside it, and if you want to display it inside VueJS, you can use v-html. If you directly write something like this, then the h1 will be treated as a string. So yeah, that won't be correct. So you have to write v-html of message. Next there is something like computed component as well. So here you can see inside script tag, I'm using an array of ref, and I want to compute this. So all you have to do is you have to import computed from VueJS, and depending on what your business logic is. So here I'm checking if the computed dot value dot length is greater than 0, then the employee is present, else is no. And here I can directly refer this is employee present. Mostly computed properties are read only. You can make it write as well. You can write to it as well by using setters, but that is not the recommended practice. It is better to keep computed properties read only. So yeah, that's it for this quick video. Thank you for watching. Bye.